Okay, I was contracted to come to Houston, to the Houston Post, to fly and film a drone show that's going to be absolutely spectacular. We've got 500 drones out here, and this is going to be for a Raid bug spray TV commercial. I can't wait to see what these drones will do, but the show director was telling me that they're gonna form an ant and a cool spider and the Raid logo and do all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, this is what a fleet of 500 drones looks like, and we're about 45 minutes from launch. So see you in a bit.